Hey, it's James here from GOODGUITARIST.com, and in today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to play the Star-Spangled Banner in the simplest way possible. I have some free sheet music for this on my website. No sign-up required or anything like that. It's completely free. There's a link down below. You click it. You can either check it out on my site. There's also a printable PDF you can download. We'll get started with the G chord, and we actually start on beat 3. This song's in 3/4 time. We just count to 3 over and over again. So we go 1, 2, oh, that's on beat 3, right? Say, can you see? So we're changing chords at like all sorts of strange times. That's why I really recommend that sheet music. It's laid out like a grid, so please print that off. Now, as far as the chords that we're going to be using, we have G, C, and D, the classic combo. And there's also going to be an F chord and a D minor chord in there. If you're having trouble with that kind of stuff, with the chord switching, I have a free 14-day crash course. It's completely free. You don't have to enter your credit card or anything like that. I recommend checking that out if you need help with the basics, getting steady rhythm and clean chord switching. Anyways, so we start off 1, 2. Our first chord's on beat 3. Oh, then we switch to C. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, by the 1, 2, D, 1, 2, 3. So you see we're switching chords a lot, very irregular times. That's why you'll want to grab that sheet music so you can really work on this, and like kind of read along and get used to it. Anyways, continuing on. What so proudly we 1, 2, at the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, broad stripes, 2, bright, 1, 2, 3, the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, o'er the ramparts we 1, 2, were so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and the rockets red glare. This part's pretty simple. We just hold the chords. The bombs 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 gave proof to through the 1, 2, 3 our flag 2, 3, 1, 2. Oh, say does that. And then here we have an F chord. Things are changing up. I'm on a C chord. I'm going to leave my ring finger down. I'm going to leave my index finger down. And then I'm going to move my middle finger down 1 fret to the G string, still on the 2nd fret, and my pinky finger goes on the 3rd fret of the D string. My thumb lightly touches the thickest string. That's an easy way to play F that still sounds nice and full when you strum it. We do that 3 strums. Star-spangled. Then we go to D minor. I'm going to leave my middle finger down. I'm going to pivot off of that into a D minor chord. If you're not familiar with it, index finger on the 1st fret of the thinnest string, and then your pinky or your ring on the 3rd fret of the D string. Your middle finger was already there from that F chord on the 2nd fret of G. Banner yet 3 strums. 1, 2, or the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you pause. And the 1, 2 of the, another little pause, break. So I want you to get good at doing it that way, just playing it straight through with the counting. And then I would recommend singing it after that while still keeping the strumming simple. And you'll find that will help you express yourself strumming wise. Because as far as like adding upstrokes and all that, this song doesn't do well with the whole like do this strumming pattern each time for those chords, because the chords are changing at like random times almost, right? So you want to more or less just get really used to playing and singing it in a simple way, and eventually it won't be too hard to add those down ups where they fit. Basically, whenever you have like a long stretch, like and the rockets red glare down up the bombs 1, 2 and in there gave down down up down up down. So I would do down, down, up, down, up. That's 3 beats, downstroke on beat 1, and then down, up for beats 2 and 3 and you know, fit that in where you can. A lot of the time, the chords are going to be changing and you'll be more into that than into getting the strumming pattern going. But, you know, during those times where you just play the same chord for a long time, that's a great strategy. If you need some guidance doing that, you know, getting to the point where you're just like feeling the strumming, I have a ton of lessons here on my channel. You can subscribe to the channel and, you know, just explore that on your own. Or if you want me to help you specifically with that, I have a couple courses. There's Learn Guitar Once and For All, and that's the first step to becoming a solid strummer. You know, somebody who can just confidently play through all your favorite songs. I also have another course, Strumming Made Simple, and it's all about, I don't know if flashy is the right word, but, you know, just being super good and at strumming, you know, and being able to feel it out and, you know, play and sing at the same time and do all that kind of stuff. I'll put some links for that down below. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section. Otherwise, don't forget to grab your free sheet music. I also have a free ebook that you'll see once you go there in the links. It's all there. Have a fun time practicing, and I'll see you soon.